Have a lot of disappointments tonight. A lot of disappointments. I'm gonna go into this boat ramp, see if the fish aren't down here. I can get them on a lower level. Dude, that's a big bass. Oh, some bit. Some bit. That's a really good thing. I'm getting some bites out here. Dang it, I lost him. Guggen puts on some real razors. Oh, come on, dude. Again? Beautiful cast. I'm just coming straight in right here. Oh, there it is. There he is. Come on, boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. Let's go. Nice freaking bass. Let's go, guys.